Good evening, guys. Welcome to the session. So let's wait for another 5 minutes. Everyone join the session, then we'll start. Today it's AMA session, Ask Me Anything session. Okay. So if you have any doubts, you can drop your queries in Q&A box. Okay, I'll answer you. Good evening, guys. Good evening. So today it's Sama session. Ask me anything session. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the Q&A box. I'll answer you there. Okay. Yeah, Varchas. So you have to choose the project from the Smart Interns website. Okay. You have to enroll. Choose any one of the project you're interested in. So you have to enroll the project there. Okay. Yeah. So Kushi, same. You have to enroll the project in the Smart Interns. Okay. Go to the Smart Interns portal, the student account in Skill Wallet. There will be a couple of projects there. Okay. Take any one of the project, any use case. Okay. You have to implement that project. Go and enroll with that project. Okay. Kushi, go to Smart Interns. Okay. Go to Smart Interns portal. Log in with your student credentials. Okay. With your Smart Intern credentials, log in the Smart Interns portal. Okay. Log in as a student there. Okay. Yeah, Harsh, it's a group project. First, select the project. Okay. Enroll to the project. After that, there you can see the form a team option. Okay. So form a team there. Just select your team members there. Give their email IDs there. Okay. After that, you can able to form a team. Okay. Then with your team, you can start working on the project. Yeah, Kushi, did you got your student credentials, Smart Interns credentials to your mail? Did you receive? So, yeah, Pranjal, guys, I'm telling to everyone, okay, check your mails. You'll be getting the credentials, okay, your Smart Interns credentials. Go to Smart Interns platform, log in with your student credentials there. So in your student account, you will be seeing the Smart Interns section, your skill wallet section. Go to your skill wallet, okay. There you will be seeing projects there, okay. Enroll in one of the project, okay. Enroll one of the project, form a team there. You can able to start your project with your team, okay. After enrolling, you will getting the confirmation mail from the Smart Interns that your project has been accepted, okay. Okay, guys, if you can't see any form a team option, or they have informed that it's an individual project, you can make the individual enrollment, okay. You can continue your project individually, okay. No need to form a team. Direct start your project, okay. Directly enroll to your project. Oh, thank you, Pranjal, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I didn't expected that. Thank you. Yeah, Kushi, after logging to your Smart Interns student account, left side, you can see there, like skill wallet, right? Go to your skill wallet. There you'll be seeing some of the projects there, okay. You should enroll any one of project, okay. Select any one, see the description of the project, okay. Select any one and start your project, okay. There only, there itself, you can see complete resources regarding your project, okay. The code, documentation, instructions, everything you'll see there, okay. Refer to that and try to work on the project, okay. Try to complete it. So don't worry, guys, after the technical training, complete technical training sessions, there will be mentoring sessions daily. So there you can ask regarding the project, okay. If you are facing any issues regarding the project, uh, if you can't execute the project, you can ask there, okay. In the mentoring session itself, you can ask me, so I'll be guiding you there, okay. So today it's a AMA session. It's a 1 hour of AMA session. Ask me anything session. It's different. Okay. So Vivek, you're asking when you will get the project. Not like that. You have to enroll the project. Okay. You have to enroll project by yourself. Okay. Go to Smart Interns platform, smartinterns.com. There, log in as a student with your credentials. Then you have to enroll with any of the one project there. Okay. Not like they will be separately assigning you. Not like that. You have to enroll in the project. Okay. So I am your mentor. Okay. I'm Sai Kiran, your mentor. So if you have any doubts, issues regarding the project, you can ask me. Okay. After this technical training session, there will be mentoring session conducted. In that mentoring sessions, project mentoring sessions, you can ask me. I'll be guiding you. Okay. So Ayush, go to your student account. In that student account, uh, go to my skill wallet or skill wallet. Okay, inside skill wallet, you'll be seeing the all the projects and the resources. Okay, go to skill wallet. So uh, people said that we informed you like it's a individual project, right? So you you have to individually work on the project, no group projects. Okay, if it's a group project, you'll be saving a former group there, right? Former team there. So if you can't see that option, it's just self project. Okay, it's an individual project. Okay, only you have to work on the project. No team members will be sharing the work there. Okay. So guys, you can directly start working on your project. Okay, don't wait for the training has to be completed. Okay, you can start the project. Okay. Okay, what particular section files are missing? Can you let me know? So Harsh, it's not like which one is better project. Every project is good project. Okay, you can learn from it. Every project is better. You can choose anyone. Anyone. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. I'll inform this to my team regarding the missing files, missing images, and all. Okay. Please wait. Okay, guys. Fine. I'll inform. I'll inform this. Okay. Don't worry. I'll inform this all issues. Okay. Already I have informed them some of these issues. Okay, again I'll be informing them and I'll ask you to fix. Okay. Okay, but just can you see any format team option there? The portal, make a team or form a team. Can you see? Okay, then no problem. You can go with your project individually. Okay, you can complete it individually. So that means it's an individual project. Okay, you can go for it. Yeah, Harsh, you're asking what is KNN and XGBoost. So they are supervised learning algorithms. Okay, used for classification and regression. Okay, they are algorithms, right? They are both supervised learning algorithms. Okay. Okay. Varchas, so can you help me with the project title? Guys, if you are facing issue with the missing files, you please drop your project title. Okay. Yes. Uh, this Ayush, it's a AMA session. Guys, it's a AMA session. Ask me anything session. Okay. So Jayant, what you do? You log in to the Smart Interns portal with your student account credentials. Okay. There you can see Skill Wallet. Okay, your Skill Wallet. Go to Skill Wallet. There will be project titles there. Okay, where you can enroll into a project. Okay, enroll into a project and try to complete it. Right? Got it? Varchas, can you tell me your project title, your project name? Which project are you working and you're facing the files issue? So Aish, don't worry about that. You'll be having plenty of time to complete it. Okay. So refer to the every resources. Okay. Try to complete it. It would be very easy for you. Okay. Okay. Focus on the algorithms. Okay. Machine learning algorithms. How can you implement with the different data sets? Okay. Take any data set, randomly take any data set from the internet, try to clean it, apply these algorithms on it. Okay. Try like that. Then only you will be getting what is machine learning in practical. Okay. Yeah, Vishal, you're asking about your project overview, right? So it's a machine learning, right? It's a machine learning system which will using a machine learning algorithm to predict the performance of the employees, right? As you mentioned, like employee performance. So we'll be predicting the a particular employee's performance. How we will be training the data, we'll training the model with the historical data, right? So typically the data set might be containing the features like employee ID, department, age or gender. Okay, mainly with these features, like with these features, the main features would be like experience of a employee. Okay, this education level, its job role. So mainly these will impact the employee's performance, right? So with these all features, we have to train the machine learning model or machine learning algorithm. After that, we'll be testing the model with a like example input. Okay, so obviously this our machine learning algorithm is trained with these features. So after training, if you give any like x input for the model, it would be predicting the output, right? Because it is already trained on the features, like important features, impactful features like your experience, like his education, training hours, right? So and his monthly average monthly salary. So based on these inputs, it will be predicting the next coming data point, like X details of an X employee, right? So it would be helpful for the HR system, HR department, so they can easily predict any new employee prediction, right? With the past data of employee, they can predict in future how can this employee can perform to the company, right? So this how the machine learning model would be helpful for the that sector. So this how you have to take any model. First, you have to take the data set. You have to clean the data set. Okay, clean the data set, do exploratory data analysis. Okay, and do the future selection if needed. After you have to train any one of the algorithm there, or you can try training the multiple algorithms. Check the accuracy. Training the algorithm with the main features such as the impactful features, train on that features, right? Test any one of the feature from it. Then if you get a better accuracy, you go with that model. Okay. Yeah, Vishal. Okay, understood. But it's the same approach, right? You'll be taking the data set, cleaning the data set, selecting the important features, training the model on that features, right? So you'll be getting complete instruction and guidance to your project in the resources. Go to that, check that you can able to complete it. Okay. Yeah, Vishal. Like future extraction is like extracting the important features, right? Which can make a great impact to your model, great impact to that task. So the main features you will taking out that features, putting in a separate data frame and training with that features. So there are methods for it, right? You can try. Got it? Like you can use dimensionality reduction method. You can use heat maps to identify the most impactful features. Try any better approach. Right. Yeah, but just exactly. After training the data set with existing data, historical data, we will check that. We will check the performance of the model. Okay, we will check the performance of the model. So we will checking with the multiple models as well, like multiple algorithms. Here models means algorithms, right? So we'll checking, cross checking with the multiple algorithms, which model is giving, which technique is giving the better accurate, like better accuracy, we'll go with that model. Okay. And we have to do a performance matrix there. Okay, in order to get the better accuracy score, check the all the matrices. So that's it. Also, what's just like there are any front end part given to you, like it's mandatory to have a front end part like css, html. There any deployment in your project? Mostly you have to deploy that project locally. Okay. Building the html pages using html and css, you have to build the front end and you have to deploy that model. Okay, you have to integrate to with the back end there. Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry, I can't get. Why are you not getting? What you do is go to Smart Interns portal, log in with your student credentials, go to Skill Wallet. Okay, go to Skill Wallet. There you can see all the projects and the resources there. Is it clear? And sorry, can you reply me? Is it clear? No, not like that. I'm sorry. Everyone can access their resources and the project. Why can't you? Okay, check once again. Make sure that you are login with your correct student credentials. You're getting the correct student account there. Okay. Yeah, yeah, Nista, but you have to develop the project you which is assigned by the smart interns. Okay, the same title you have to develop your project. Okay, not a different title. Work on the same project you assigned, right? Yeah, but just exactly. So you have to create HTML pages. You have to write a script by using the Flask. Okay, with the Python, and you have to show the output there. Okay. No, Pawan, I'm not sharing any screen. It's just a AMA session for 1 hour. If you have any doubts regarding project and this, you can ask me. Okay, I'll answer you. Sorry, Nishita, I didn't get the question. Yeah, same project you can work. Okay, you can work with your approach, no problem. But make sure you're getting a correct output and better accuracy. Okay, then only you can go for the deployment. Okay. After at the end, you have to check the model with the past data. Okay, within the data set, take the points, test on the same points. Are you getting the same output? Then the model is successful, right? No, Nishita, not like that. While evaluating the project, we'll be running your project and we'll check whether it's working or not. Okay, whether it's giving a correct output or not. Everything will be evaluated at the end. So make sure you're completing the project. Okay. Yeah, Amit Kumar, you can work individually on your project. Yeah, but just not no. Okay. Uh, Try to work on the data set provided by the smart interns. Okay, because um in the middle, if you face any issues regarding your data set, we can't help you, right? If you're using the same data set with the smart interns, there might be chance to help you out, right? There will be complete instruction how to handle the data and how to process the data. So that's the reason. Please go with the given data set. Okay. No, Nishita, no Streamlit deployment, no ready-made UI deployment. Okay, you have to create a HTML pages. You have to deploy it with your Flask. So that is the criteria of this project. Okay, so there are individual marks for it. Every step, front end, back end. Okay, performance testing, everything, every marks will be given. Right. So go with the Flask. Yeah, Jayant, you have to complete the every course given by the smart interns. Okay, that is the criteria, right? Then only you will be allocated with your certificate. Nishita, Streamlit is not allowed. Okay. So Nishita, it's not a group project. I think it's an individual project. You can individually enroll to your project. Okay. Have you enrolled to your project? Are you enrolled into? No, Nishita. No. You have to deploy it using Flask. Okay. Yeah, Jant, I'm your mentor. Okay. This is Sai Kiran. I'm your mentor. After the complete technical training sessions, there will be a mentoring sessions conducted. In that mentoring sessions, I can guide you with your project. If you have any doubts regarding the execution, deployment, anything. Okay. Yeah, but the deadline not yet decided. Okay. If there is any deadline for this, we'll be notifying you in the Telegram group. Okay. Don't worry. Okay, Nishita, I got it. Don't worry. Uh, just simple log into your Smart Interns portal with the student credentials. Okay. Go to Skill Wallet. You can see the some of the projects there. Try to enroll. Okay. After enrollment, you will be receiving the message from the Smart Interns that your project has been accepted. You can start working on that. Okay. After that, you will be getting a workspace option there. Why the workspace? Because after completing the project, you have to submit the project files in the workspace. Okay. Leave about this right now. For now, you first enroll the project and start working on it. Okay. Yeah, Jayant, everything is mentioned in the skill wallet. Okay. The resources section, the resources will be present there. You can refer there. Okay. If there any deadline, we will be informing you. Okay, you have to complete the project within the deadline. Okay, I'll be informing you regarding the deadline. Okay. Yeah, Virtuous, which algorithm you have to use, it's depend upon your data set, right? On your data set, whether it's a supervised learning, it's unsupervised learning, it's depend on your data set. Okay. So there is a clear, better approach, better algorithm mentioned in your resources. Go with that algorithm, or else you can try with your preferred output. Try with the different algorithms. Which algorithms are you getting better output or better accuracy? You can go with that model. Okay. Or else check the resources. You get to know which algorithms will perform better with your data set. Okay. Okay. After completing the project submission and internship, you all get the certifications, right? From the smart interns, you all be getting the certifications. What I can say is, like, actual thing is what you have learned from this complete training. Okay, try to build machine learning models, okay, by the own, regardless to this project. After completing this project, you individually take any data set, go to Kaggle, okay, go to Kaggle platform, take a random data set like Titanic data set, Iris data set, try to clean that data set, okay, spend the time mostly in data cleaning, try to build different algorithms, right? Build algorithms in supervised learning and couple of unsupervised learning algorithms. Okay, so making in that way, it would be helpful you. Okay, it will be helpful to you. Then only you can understand the what is a machine learning actually is, right? So machine learning is a fundamental, basic fundamentals for deep learning, generative AI, and everything, right? So it's very important to learn machine learning by your own. Okay. Okay, Anirudh, let me clear. So first thing, it's an individual project. So that means you can't see any like a former team option. Okay, you can enroll project individually. If you enrolled individually, happy, you can work on the project individually. Okay, and Revant is not your mentor. Okay, just ignore it. I'm your mentor. I'm Sai Kiran. So I'll be guiding you if you face any issues within the project. So after this technical training session, there will be mentoring session going on. Okay, we'll conduct the mentoring sessions. There, I will be guiding you if you have any doubts. Okay, in that 1 or 2 hour mentoring session, you can ask me any questions regarding the project. I'll be guiding you. Okay. So in that way, you can talk with me, right? In the session itself, you can ask me question. Okay, is it clear, Anirudh? Yeah, Amit, can you help me with your project title? I'll be informing these all titles to my team. Okay, I'll tell them to fix these all problems. Okay, guys, let me tell you, like, if the files are missing, take it as a challenge. Okay, I'm saying, like, take it as a challenge. Anyway, we'll be fixing out that issues. I'll be informing to my team. It might be like cloud issue. The all files have been uploaded. Okay, from our side, everything has been uploaded. By with the reloading time, the issue is with the reloading. Okay, I think the issue is with the cloud. That's why you people can't see the images there. So we will look into it. We will try to fix it. But what I'm telling is, take it as a challenge. Think how can you fix that problem. If you don't have the project structure, just think how can you build the project structure there, because that's matter. Okay, going through the resources, completing the project, everyone can do. Can Okay, so what you can do is try to fix that problem with your own. Okay, by your own, try to fix that project. Okay, if there are any technical architecture is missing, do research how to make sure how to plan the technical architecture. You plan. Okay, already you're going with the technical training sessions, right? You have a bit idea how to complete the project, how to run the algorithms and all things, right? To try to fix the problem. If any particular data pre-processing image are missing, okay, you try you try by your own how to uh, process the data, how to clean the data. Try by yourself. End of the day, that matters. Okay, end of the day, that matters. How are you fixing the problems? How are you cleaning the data by yourself by using different techniques and approaches? That matters. Okay, because in the resources we can provide any one approach or one technique. So Outside in the market, not like that. You have to use a different techniques, your own approach. How can you solve the issue with a better approach? Like how can you clean the data in your own style or in your own way? So that's important, guys. Okay, take it as a these things as a challenge. Try to fix by yourself. Okay, because I'm giving this advice. Okay, regardless to your resources, I'm giving this advice. Okay. Okay, Ansari, tell me what you are seeing in the skill section. Okay, what is visible there? So, Shivangi, so we will be uploading the all technical training sessions. Once we done with our uploadings, okay, we'll notify you with the link. Okay, don't worry. So, Shivangi, please wait. I think uh, we'll upload it. Okay, then we'll share the link. Okay. Okay, Ansari, if the problem is with the mail and the credentials with your student account, what you can do is you just message to the Smart Interns, okay, Smart Intern support mail, okay. You just mail your problem, okay. Our team will be helping you with that credentials, okay. They'll look into your account and they'll be helping you out. Okay, you can message this issue in the Telegram group, okay. Okay, okay, Ansari. Yeah, okay. Okay, guys. I'll end the session now. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Thank you for time. Okay. Thank you for your time. Meet in the next session. Bye.